Iguazu Falls, Brazil's crown jewel, is a natural marvel that will leave you awestruck. The mighty Iguazu River thunders over a precipice, creating a misty veil that rises like a mystical aura, enveloping the surroundings in an otherworldly mist. This ancient wonder has been beckoning visitors for centuries. The Guarani tribe, indigenous to the region, revered Iguazu as a sacred site, believing it to be the gateway to the afterlife. The fall's sheer power and beauty were said to hold the secrets